All right, guys, so now in step 1, we created the white centerpiece. So in step 2, we're going to go ahead and create the yellow centerpiece, building around this center yellow, which will not move. Because for every odd numbered cube, the 3, 5, 7, etc., the very center pieces, middle centers, they don't move. For the even numbered pieces, for the even numbered cubes, they don't have center pieces, but the odd ones do. But we want to create a yellow center. So what's the best way to go about this? Is to create the middle bar first. So we want to create bars and just connect them. It's that simple. So without further ado, this yellow centerpiece, which is right where it's supposed to be, we put it in between these two, or anywhere where it would make a bar, a middle bar. So we pull it between these two. We give it a 90-degree twist, not 180. 90-degree twist, because 180 will have it horizontal. We don't want that. Just 90 degrees. And then we simply slide it back to where it belongs, and slide the white piece as well. Notice how the white center didn't come apart, and we have our yellow bar. So now we focus on creating more yellow bars. So right here we have another one. So what we're gonna do is we want to make sure that the face in the front is the white, on top is the yellow bar, and the actual yellow center, we want it to be vertical, so that way it doesn't destroy the bar we have. So what do? From the top, we pull towards the yellow center, where the yellow center face is supposed to be. So we pull towards it. This time we do 180 degrees, not 90 degrees. We do a 180-degree twist. And then we pull the white back down. So now we have 2 bars, and it's just a matter of creating the 3rd bar. So right here, we have a middle center, and then we have 2 corners of the center. So combine them. And it may seem very tempting to just line it up like this and then just fill up the space. But when you do that, you're going to destroy your white center. So you don't want to do that. What you do instead is you go ahead and line up the 2 bars, the 2 exterior bars on the edge of the center. Pull the top, having the white facing you. You pull the top towards the back, which is the yellow center. 180-degree twist, and then you put the white back down, also pulling in the yellow. So now you have a yellow and you have a white center. So guys, please like and subscribe. Any feedback, any comments that y'all would like to leave, please let me know. All right, have a great day.